Not too far from where you are, there's a place where mountains rise and nature's bounty abounds, where soul, soil and hands unite to craft a rare magic, the kind of magic you won't find anywhere else, where each season fills your senses with a promise to reconnect, and life's simplest pleasures bubble to the surface. Look again. Not too far. Can you see? Stay close. Go further.
A huge thank you to everyone who was part of this session. For further information, please email info@hops.com.au, and we hope to welcome you all on farm again soon.